Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into what could easily be one of the most exciting mirrorless camera releases of 2025, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. Canon has officially ignited the mirrorless APS-C market once again, and if the specs and rumors hold true, we're talking about a game-changing upgrade that photographers, videographers, and hybrid content creators are going to love, whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a wildlife shooter, or someone who just wants top-tier performance in a lightweight body. This camera might just be what you've been waiting for. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's explore what makes the EOS R7 Mark II an absolute powerhouse, from imaging innovations to advanced stabilization and next-level autofocus. Design and build, a new era of handling and durability. Canon's design ethos has always blended form and function, and with the Canon EOS R7 Mark II, that tradition continues with some much-needed ergonomic upgrades. While the body remains compact and relatively lightweight, several enhancements are expected in terms of usability and ruggedness. We're hearing strong buzz about a redesigned grip, which is now deeper and more contoured, perfect for extended handheld shooting. That's especially valuable for wildlife and sports photographers who often go hours without a tripod. Canon is also rumored to be enhancing the weather sealing of this model, bringing it close to the durability you'd expect from higher-end bodies like the R5 or R3. Also anticipated is an upgraded control scheme. We're likely to see more tactile dials, an improved joystick for faster AF point selection, and potentially, fingers crossed, a top LCD status panel. While that last part is still unconfirmed, it would bring a pro DSLR-like interface that many advanced users crave. Sensor technology, upgraded APS-C for professional results. Canon seems to be taking sensor innovation seriously with the R7 Mark II. We're expecting a brand new APS-C stacked BSI CMOS sensor, likely in the range of 32 to 35 megapixels. While that sounds like a modest bump from the original 32.5 MP chip, the real magic lies in the architecture. Thanks to backside illumination and stacked sensor design, the new chip is expected to offer better light gathering efficiency, lower noise in low-light scenarios, increased dynamic range, faster readout speeds, minimizing rolling shutter whether you're shooting golden hour landscapes or tracking fast-moving subjects in dim conditions. This sensor should offer impressive clarity and detail with less post-processing required. Pair that with what's likely to be the Digic X or a newer gen processor, and you're looking at lightning-fast performance, improved buffer handling, and stunning image quality straight out of the camera. Autofocus system, AI-driven precision with dual-pixel CMOS AF2 autofocus is getting another serious upgrade here. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system has already been a standout in cameras like the R5 and R3, and now those cutting-edge algorithms are being adapted to the APS-C platform. We're talking about eye, face, and body detection, animal and vehicle tracking, AI-assisted subject recognition, smart scene analysis, and subject switching based on movement and framing. This makes the R7 Mark II especially attractive for wildlife and sports shooters, where the action is fast, unpredictable, and constantly changing. Canon might also expand the number of autofocus zones and improve tracking in low-light or low-contrast environments. It's not just faster, it's smarter. You can expect a real-time focus experience that rivals full-frame cameras, all in a compact body. Video features, 6K recording, 10-bit color, and serious cinema specs. Content creators rejoice. The video capabilities of the R7 Mark II might just vault it into the pro video territory. Canon is rumored to include internal 6K 60 frames per second video recording using the entire sensor width, delivering beautifully detailed footage without line skipping or binning. On top of that, you'll get 10-bit 4:2:2 color and support for Canon Log 3, giving editors and colorists deep flexibility in post. More potential highlights, 4K at 120 frames per second, likely without severe cropping. Dual UHS-2 SD card support for high-speed recording, redundancy, enhanced heat dissipation for long-form video shooting, upgraded audio preamps, and on-screen waveform monitoring. This isn't just a vlogger's dream, it's a professional hybrid tool built for YouTubers, filmmakers, and documentary creators who demand cinematic quality in a portable package. In-body stabilization, handheld shooting just got smarter. Canon is expected to push its IBIS system even further with the R7 Mark II. We might see up to 8 stops of stabilization when paired with RF lenses, making it one of the most stable APS-C cameras on the market. What's even more exciting is the possibility of a next-gen IS coordination algorithm. This could greatly improve performance when tracking subjects, shooting handheld with telephoto lenses, or capturing movement-heavy scenes like panning shots or handheld vlogs. In other words, whether you're hiking through rugged terrain or capturing high-energy sports, you can leave the gimbal at home and still get silky smooth results. Customization and controls. Pro features in a compact body. Canon appears to be taking user feedback seriously. The R7 Mark II could include several new custom buttons, a reworked quick control dial, and a revamped user interface inspired by Canon's higher-end models like the EOS R5 and the cinema-grade C70. The fully articulating touchscreen remains, but it's rumored to be brighter and easier to see in sunlight, more responsive to touch inputs, better suited for both menu navigation and touch AF during video recording. Canon may also introduce a digital teleconverter mode, a pixel shift high-resolution option, or even in-camera raw burst capture, features that could open up creative flexibility for all types of users. Connectivity. Built for the modern creative workflow. Let's talk about workflow and integration, key areas where Canon has really stepped up lately. The R7 Mark II is likely to include Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 for fast wireless file transfers, USB-C 3.2 for high-speed tethering and direct file offloading, enhanced compatibility with the Canon Camera Connect app, tethered shooting support for both photo and video, improved remote live view, allowing you to shoot or live stream straight from your phone or laptop for hybrid shooters working in studio setups or on the go. This camera could become the ultimate tool for content delivery, especially with the continued rise of remote collaboration and dual SD card slots and storage workflow. Canon is expected to stick with dual UHS, 2 SD card slots, allowing users to set up redundant backups or split video and photo files for a more organized workflow. While not CF Express, which would be faster, UHS 2 strikes a nice balance between speed, compatibility, and affordability, ideal for the semi-pro and pro markets alike. This means longer shoots, safer data handling, and less stress during high-stakes sessions. Who should consider the EOS R7 Mark II? This camera is looking like a do-it-all machine, but here's who might benefit the most: wildlife and sports photographers needing high-speed performance in a compact body, YouTubers and vloggers who demand pro-grade video features without a steep learning curve, hybrid creators switching between stills and video on the fly, event and wedding shooters who need reliability, fast autofocus, and redundancy, travel photographers looking for power without bulk, whether you're capturing breathtaking mountain vistas, fast-paced football matches, or high-resolution interviews. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II could be the go-to camera in 2025 for creators across the board. Final thoughts: if even half the rumored features make it into the final product, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II will be a monumental leap for Canon's APS-C mirrorless lineup.